Today we're going to be opening up our 5 Blues Clues surprise toy eggs made with Play-Doh.
Okay, let's take a look at these cutie pies. First we have Mr. Salt, and then we have Blue, and Blue has her polka dots and her big blue nose. Next we have Steve, and we know that this is Steve because it's the green striped shirt. Joe wore a different shirt. And Blue's best friend, Magenta. And then we have Mr. Salt's wife, Mrs. Pepper. Okay, first I'm gonna open Mr. Salt.
No. Ladies first, Mrs. Pepper.
You want me to open Mrs. Pepper first?
Yes.
Okay. Look how cute she is. Her little smiling face. We'll see what's inside. All right, it's a little squinky.
And that is cheese.
That is
That's
a
from
little
the Disney
cheese mouse.
fairies. He's in Tinkerbell.
He's in Tinkerbell. He helps Tinkerbell test the fairy dust.
I think his best friends are Tinkerbell, Bobble, and Clank.
Aw, he's cute.
Look, here, let's give him a stand.
All right, let's see. Little
Give cheese something to sit on.
Cheese mouse. Sitting under a little Disney fairy. I mean, a little Disney flower. Bum bum ba ba bum 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 ba ba bum bum bum.
We are looking for Blues Clues. We are looking for Blues Clues. We are looking for Blues Clues. But Mater's here instead.
Hey, Mater.
Hey, guys. All right, up next, I'm going to actually open up Mr. Salt.
Mr. Salt.
He is ready. So he watched Mrs. Pepper get opened up, and now it's his turn. Look at I fell off. One down. Look, there we go. I like this. It's like a little top hat.
That's right. A salt shaker hat.
All right, so let's see what we got. And inside here, we have found. That's our little motorcycle guy.
That's cool.
That is cool. It's a
Squinky.
motorcycle squinky. He's green, and he's got his yellow striped helmet and yellow shoes. He's matching. Look, he's gonna take the spot of Mr. Cheese. He fits on here too.
I think Mr. Cheese would be afraid of him if he saw him wandering around in a forest. Okay, next we're gonna open Blue's best friend, Magenta.
The little pink dog. With her fuzzy eyes. See what's inside.
Okay.
That's an orange alien. That's from the Kinder Surprise eggs that we have.
Oh, that's cool.
So it
Snap
snaps
it
together. You can twirl it around.
Ah, it's hard for me to snap.
So there it is. Oh, it's got a little red tongue. That's the only alien I've ever seen with a little red tongue. It's time to solve a puzzle. So I'm gonna give you a clue. It's my disguise in the Cars 2 movie. I was blue and I had a mustache. Time's a ticking.
And next, the star of the show, Blue herself. Take her little hat off. See what's inside. Whoa.
So now that the blue dog's open, let's see what we got. And it looks like
It's a little baby monkey.
he's got glitter on him.
A lot of glitter on him.
That's a cool little monkey. What's he got, a green shirt on?
He's got a little green shirt on with some yellow on it.
So there's our green monkey Squinky.
That's right. Cute.
All right, you guys figure out that puzzle yet? I told you it's me when I was wearing blue and I had a mustache. It's Mater Evan. That's right. If y'all know who that is, y'all need to go back and watch the movie starring me, Mater. All right, our last egg is gonna be Steve with his green striped shirt. So here he is. Let's peel away and see what we got. And it's a big egg. Woo! All right, so we've got multiple
lots of
toys
stuff.
in this. So let's look through it. All right, first up, I see that we have, that is the Littlest Pet Shop. And it's got a little stand. It's a mushroom stand.
Cute. I love the little mushroom stand.
Check her out. The red and white bear.
Yep,
I hope that's a bear.
Looks like a little panda bear.
Okay, and then we have these. These are these small Zinkies. So this looks like it's a kind of like a dinosaur.
It is a dinosaur. Is that
It's hard to see these.
Somebody will have to tell us.
And
Triceratops, maybe.
Here's the next dinosaur. Or I don't even know if it's a dinosaur. What is that?
I don't know. That might be a little lion. They're so
very
tiny.
Small. So here's our second one.
Or maybe it's a puppy with ponytails.
And then we have another one right here.
Okay, that one's pink. Let's see what that is.
This looks like it's an octopus.
That's cute.
So there's our 3 Zinkies. And then in this last one we have, this is the Green Power Ranger Squinky. So Zinkies and Squinkies and our big old Steve.
DCTC, this is Amy Jo. I have a surprise for you. I have 4 brand new Disney Princess fashions, and I cannot wait to open them and see who we got. We'll pull our Play-Doh off. Snow White, Ariel, Cinderella, Belle, and Rapunzel. Oh, we got Rapunzel! Look at all of her hair. It wraps all the way around her head and back. Actually, look how teeny tiny she is. Look at her little baby dress. She's got a lot of hair. Here is a closer look. Yeah, I was gonna say, let's see if we can make her stand up. I can't get over how teeny tiny she is. Look at her little arms. There. Now, let's take a look and see what is underneath all of this Play-Doh. I'm hoping for either Ariel or Snow White. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! You've got to be kidding me! Another Rapunzel! I'm very worried that we're gonna get another Rapunzel. So we ordered these from eBay, I believe. And they're definitely not supposed to all be the same princess. We're supposed to have a variety of princesses. So now I'm just hoping for anybody except Rapunzel. No! Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. It's our last one, our last chance to get someone other than Rapunzel. This is gonna be such a bummer if that is all we get. The Play-Doh looks cool, but the Disney Princess fashions is definitely a letdown so far. Okay, this is it, guys. Please, please let it be somebody other than Rapunzel. Yes! Yay! Okay, here's a closer look at Sleeping Beauty. And you can actually see how dainty and little she is without all of that hair covering her up. And she has a lot of hair too, but nothing like Rapunzel's. Oh, I'm so glad we got somebody different. Let's do a quick comparison between our Magic Clips princesses and our Fashions princesses. So here we have Sleeping Beauty, and here's our Fashion Sleeping Beauty. And one of the major differences is the eyes. See how the Fashions don't have a lot of detail in their eyes, but the Magic Clip princesses do. And here is our Rapunzel Magic Clip and our Rapunzel Fashions. So one thing I really like about the Fashions is I like how little and dainty their bodies are. I think that's really cute. I don't like their eyes though. And since we did not get lucky opening those Fashions, we are gonna open some Disney Princess chocolate eggs. see if we can get something amazing in one of these. Let's see who we get. So the little fashions are so hard to find, so we were really excited when we found them. Oh, yay, we got Snow White. I've opened a few of these, and I have been getting Sleeping Beauty and Ariel a lot in these. So see how they just kind of clip together like that? Here's a closer look. You can see these are really little. Here is our Snow White magic clip, and here is our Snow White from our chocolate surprise egg. See the difference in size? And this is a little different. Still a chocolate surprise egg, but see the wrapper? How the wrapper's different? So we'll see what we get in this one. Whoa, look at this egg. This must have traveled really far to get here. That looks yucky. Oh. Oh, this looks promising. Who did we get? Do you know who it is? If you guessed Belle, then you are correct. Looks like she's dancing. Her hair is kind of swinging to the side, like maybe she just did a big twirl. And here are all of the different princesses that come in these eggs, and I'll show you the paper from the other egg too, so you can see. So here is the one that we got. And these were the things that we could have gotten in the other eggs. So there are actually 2 Snow White, so we got the one in the back row. And this might be kind of a strange comparison because they look really different, but here's our Belle from our surprise egg, and here is our magic clip Belle. Okay, so well, that was kind of a bummer, wasn't it? Unless you love Rapunzel, then this was probably your favorite video ever. So I'll tell you what, if you would like us to try to find more of the Disney Princess fashions to open, then you can click on the like button to let us know, and we